Tired of having to launch contacts and scroll through names to find someone's phone number or email address? In today's video tip, we'll show you how to use Spotlight on the Mac, iPhone, and iPad to make quick work of getting contact information. On the Mac, Spotlight can be launched by clicking the Spotlight icon in the upper right side of the menu bar or by typing Command Spacebar. When the Spotlight search field appears, start typing in the name. After a short delay, the results show up on screen, and you can call, message, FaceTime, or email the person with a click. On iOS, get to Spotlight from the home screen by swiping to the right. Type the name in the search field at the top of the screen, and the results appear below, letting you start a FaceTime call, phone call, or message chat. You can also tap the microphone icon on the right side of the search field to say a name. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and share this video with your friends.